Hey, hello friends. Hi, I am Deepa Thakur. Welcome back again in C programming language. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about printf and scanf function. So let's see printf and scanf function. There is two most important functions in our programming language. First is printf and second is scanf. So let's see first printf. First point, it is a predefined function. It means it is already defined in our C program. Second, it's defined in studio.h header file. Means when creating any C program printf function, it's stored under standard input output header files. So if you want to use this function, we need to use studio.h. Third is case sensitive. Means use always in lowercase. Uppercase is not valid in printf function. So it is a case sensitive. Fourth, purpose is to use data or information on the output screen. Means whenever we write printf, in that which statement we write, it display the statement. Now see the syntax of printf. How we write printf with variable or without variable. With two types we write the syntax printf. First syntax printf bracket double quotation tags. It's a without variable. Second printf double quotation tags and format specifier. Format specifier I will explain you in my tutorial. Format specifier tutorial you can refer from that. Double quotation tags and format specifier, double quotation comma variable, it's with variable we can write this pattern. Now see the example. You can use any compiler here, CodeBlock, Div. Online also you can run the program. Here I am using Div. In Div we don't need conio.h as well as clr ser and getch function, also not need. So let's see printf example. File, new, source file, hash include studio.h. We have already see the point that hash include is written header file for writing printf. After that you write first syntax we see without variable void main method. In that we write printf. After that semicolon, terminate the statement, save the program, file, save, desktop only I will, in desktop I save the program. Printf dot c. Dot c is the extension because I am writing the program of C. Save the program, execute, compiled. There is no error. After that run the program. C in program. C program. It's without variable we can use. After that second syntax with variable. For that again we go to file, new, source file. Again write hash include studio.h After that, void main. If we write void main, then you don't need to read return 0. With variable, first we write data type int variable a, assign the value 100 semicolon. After that, printf double quotation mod d. Mod d is your format specifier because we using here int. Int is your data type. For that we use mod d. In format specifier, you know it how we use mod, why we use mod d for int data type. A is your variable. Now again save the program. .c. Execute, compiled, no error, run the program. See the output 100 is print. Int data type. After that we go to char. For char we write the data type char record equals to, here we write character and each character we write in a single quotation. Use single quotation. For small a, capital A or any number. Here I am using capital A. We can use small a also. Now in printf you can write some text. Record equals to, we are using here char, for that we use mod c. Percent is known as modulus, mod c, and here we use as a variable record. Again save the program, execute, compiled, no error. After that run the program. Here is the output. For record it use a. Now same we can use for float data type also. Here we can write float. For float we use percent, some percent 23.5. After that in printf we write percent for mod c. We are using data type float, for that we use mod f according to format specifier, and here we write percent. Again save the program. Save the program, compiled, and run the program. Here is the output. So in that way we can write printf program and run the program with variable and without variable. If we use two variable, we can write int a equals to 100 semicolon. Here we can write a equals to mod d and percent equals to mod f. Here we can write a comma b. For two variables we can assign that variable here also. For a we use mod d and for percent we use mod f. or float. Float data type we use mod f, and int data type we use mod d according to format specifier. Again save the program, compile and run the program. Now you see the output. This is the examples. Now we can see scanf after that. Now in scanf, first it is a predefined function, means it is already defined in our C program. Second, it's defined in studio.h header file, means when creating any C program, scanf function is stored under studio input output header file. Third, case sensitive. Always allow lowercase, small scanf, not allow the uppercase, same as printf function. Now fourth, it is used to take user input at runtime. Now let's see the syntax. So here in syntax, scanf format specifier comma address of variable. For format specifier means mod d. If you using int data type, we use mod d. If you use mod c, address format specifier, we use data type char, so on. And address of variables means here and symbol is used to add address of variable. Let's see example. Let's see example. File, go to new, source file. First we write hash include stdio.h. After that void main. We don't have to return 0 because we are using void main. Int a equals to 100 semicolon. In scanf, first we write printf. Here we write printf, entered value of a, scanf. Here you are using data type int, that's why you use mod d, format specifier, and is the address of variable. For scanf we use address of variable. For again we print that value. Your value is mod d because we are using int data type, format specifier mod d, after that comma a, semicolon. Save the program. Desktop, scanf.c, extension is .c. Compiled, there is no error. After that run the program. Enter the value of a, 2. Your value is 2. If you want some space, you can write in a new line, use /n here, and again save the program. Compiled, run the program. Let's see. Here in next line we can print the value and see the output. Your value is 3. Likewise you can use for char also. In place of replace int, write char. After that a, instead of a you write record. If you want 100, you have to write in single quotation. Value also you can print, character also and value also in single quotation. Enter the value of a. Here we write record instead of a. Here also record. Here we are using char, that's why I use mod c, format specifier. here also mod C, and here record. Again save the program, compiled, there is error, record. Multiple char we are using. Sorry, it's a scanf program. Why we initializing the value? Don't need to initialize the value. Again save the program, compiled, and run the program. Here we write like 100. Enter. Your value is 1. Not taking 0 0. That's why. If again we print the value, compile it, run the program. 34. Your value is 3. It's only one character. First character is considerable. If we write again, we compile the program and run the program. A, the value is A. After that, go to float. Replace char by float. Here record percent, entered percent, here is also percent, mod F, percent F, percent. Save the program, execute, compiled it, run the program. Now see the output. Write any float value, show 34.500. Likewise, you can see the example of with variable, without variable in printf, and in scanf example also. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. If you like my video, click on like button. If you like to watch my further videos, you can subscribe my channel or click on bell icon for further videos, get notifications. Thank you for watching my video.